Welcome to Outlaw Dreams Garage. I'm Cory, and today we're going to be fixing a knock sensor issue on my O2 Trans Am. We're currently getting a code P0332, which is telling us that we're currently getting a service engine light related to a Bank 2 knock sensor low voltage. On these cars, it's pretty common. TSB come out for them when Pontiac was still in business. Water tends to lay on the valley and will pretty much corrode the knock sensors, and so they suggest you build a dam around the bungs. Another common issue, people still have the problem when they put the intake back on. They pinch the wiring harness with the intake, so you want to tape it down, make sure you get everything out of the way, and be good to go. I did have this intake off about a year ago, but I know that's not the issue because I didn't have the problem for that long, and I've already tested the knock sensor and it's bad. So today we're going to tear the intake off and get her fixed. Stay tuned. Hey guys, just a quick tip here. Anybody that's worked on these F-bodies knows that there's 4 bolts in the back that can be kind of a trick. To get this intake to come loose, you have to figure out a way to hold those bolts up, and they won't come completely out due to the cow being in the road. So what I like to do is take a rubber band like you see here, and it puts a little bit of pressure on them, keeps them up out of the way, and then you shouldn't have to fight them when it comes out. So, makes life easier. Alright, stay tuned. Alright guys, remember what I was saying about that water? I don't know if this will show up very well, but take a look at that. That would be why that knock sensor failed back there. Now the front's completely dry, and I'll admit I do wash my engine bay from time to time. I like to have everything clean and nice. This will be the last time I ever spray it with a hose like that again. Part of the problem also may be the fact that I have a debaffled ram air hood. She doesn't get driven in the rain much, and honestly, from here on out, she probably never will be again. But we're gonna clean that out and get a new sensor slap back in. Stay tuned, guys. Well, guys, here we go. I got the one out of the motor. You can tell she's pretty rusted, corroded. And I have the new original GM AC Delco, made in Mexico, like all GM parts should be. And then, since I'm in there, I also decided to put in a new harness for everything, because these old ones get kind of ratty, and some people get them pinched in between the intake, everything else, so we're just not going to risk it. We're going to run a new one, and we're going to put this thing back together, and maybe take her out on the road tonight, see what it'll do. Alright. Alright guys, we got the knock sensors changed. I already started up, cleared the old code. Let's go ahead and let you guys hear it for the first time. Alright, well, the code's gone. We're going to drive her for a little bit tomorrow and make sure she doesn't come back. Thanks, guys.